Sahanaa here, and today we're going to Abu Dhabi. So I don't know how many hours it's going to be, but my mom told it was going to be 6 hours. So it's the next morning and it's the second day. This is the whole view of the apartment. We are in the car and now we're going to go to the sugarcane factory. This is a sugarcane factory. From here, we're going to the Pamplemousse Garden. Now guys, we are going to the Botanical Garden. I heard it's a really old garden. Now it's gonna be exciting. Look at the scenery. This is so beautiful with the lighting. Whoa, this is how it looks above us. This is so beautiful. Oh, cut down trees over there. Leaves. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Here we have the map of the whole garden. It looks pretty big. Mauritius that's the country that we are in right now. It feels like India, and this is a developing country right now. And it has so much open land here. Oh, it feels so great, and I can feel so free. Oh, there's a twisty tree. There's a twisty tree over there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a twisty tree. Oh, there's a pond or a lake or a river. Oh,
with the bridge.
This is a bridge. Oh, there's fishies also. Okay. It's amazing. Oh,
Other side.
you can see that orange fishy over there. And that's where you can just like sit down and have a picnic over there. Oh, it's so cool.
Come.
I'm guessing this is a mango tree because of the mangoes that's been falling down here.
See?
And I'm sure this is a type of plant that does not have a pigment. Whoa, it looks so fluffy, but I'm not sure if it's dangerous or not. Whoa, it's so cool. It looks like those flowers that come here. And I think there had been caterpillars here that was eating the grass because their holes punched through these leaves. Oh my god, there's a lotus here. Oh, there is a lotus bud. It's growing.
That's it.
And that's the full flower. So many lotuses. Oh, now we are going to somewhere in this. There's a lot to explore here. So I don't know what all we are going to be expecting. The map is really big and it showed tortoises and curves. I don't know what curves are, but they look like reindeers. Oh, this is big tree, big tree. Okay, let's climb up this hill. Its roots extend up to there. No, there. No, there. That's really big. Oh my god. This is humongous. Oh, there's a lot of kelp down there. Whatever those are. I think those are kelp. These are lotus. No, lily pads. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. One tree and 4 trunks. This place is really epic. Things that you've never expected to see lies here. Oh my god, this is a big pond. Oh, it looks like a river. It extends to there. Look, it looks like a cave of trees. It's the mighty wonders of something you've never seen before. I was right. You'd never see something like this anywhere except this. This is a yellow bamboo. And mostly everything's green. That is a very big and old tree. It extends like, I don't know if how many meters or how many foot tall it is, but it's so big and old. Imagine the age of that tree. Would have been real big. Did this tree get struck by lightning? Or is this a new pose that the tree learnt? I leave you to it. Good morning, guys. Today is day 4 and now we're going to a safari where you can see different animals, and you're going to pretty much be spending half of the day at least, or maybe the full day. This I have never done apart from going to Dubai on the Dubai safari, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be more animals this time. Different destination, and that statue over there is Lord Shiva, and that cow over there is Nandi, and there are a lot of monkeys here. There are 2 wild creatures over there. Oh, a baby.
So why is the thing?
It's eating the croissant.
Is it smelling first?
See if it's real, because monkeys are sensitive like us. But now we are in the lake. No, in the lake, but near the lake. Walking down some steps. We are in the lake, and there's a temple over there. If you can hear the bell. These are flowers, and this one looks like the sundew, the one that's a carnivorous plant that eats, bugs. Now we are at the Black River. There's a lot of shops here, stalls. That's the Black River World National Park. I forgot to mention there are a lot of monkeys here since it is a plain open forest. To the right, you will see some monkeys. You might not see them because they're in grass or in the trees. A lot of mountains here, and those are really tall if you look at human eyes. Now we got our lunch because we're going to be spending 3 hours in the safari. So I got
Is it okay, sir?
shrimps and rice.
Ready for ready, okay?
My parents also got the same thing.